Hi, I'm with Real Property Management DC Metro. If you're here, you're probably trying to decide whether to sell your DC home or turn it into a rental. Maybe you have some equity, a low interest rate, and you're wondering if it makes more sense to cash out now or hold the property as a long-term investment. We built this seller rent section to walk you through the real numbers and the trade-offs specific to Washington, DC, projected rent, expenses, and cash flow, plus how our very tenant-friendly laws and future sale plans should factor into your decision. Our goal is simple: give you a clear, realistic look at what your home can do as a rental versus what selling would put in your pocket, so you can choose the option that actually supports your bigger financial goals. Scroll down to read or watch the short videos, run the numbers for your property, and if you want a personalized rent versus sell review, reach out and we'll go through your scenario together.